Everyone, and welcome. Ever stared at an exam paper and felt a chill run down your spine? You're not alone. Exams can be scary, but today, we're turning that fear into excitement. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to conquer those exams and turn them into easy wins. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your enemy. Before you even look at the questions, understand the exam. What's the format? How many questions are there? What topics are covered? Knowing the enemy, in this case, the exam, is half the battle. Check the syllabus, past papers, and any provided information. This will help you anticipate the type of questions and how to approach them. Step 2. Plan of attack. Now that you know the enemy, it's time to strategize. Create a study plan. Break down the topics into smaller, manageable chunks. Allocate specific time slots for each topic. Be realistic with your time. Don't cram. Regular, short study sessions are much more effective than last-minute all-nighters. Schedule in breaks, too. Your brain needs rest. Step 3. Active learning. Reading is good, but active learning is better. Don't just passively read your notes. Instead, quiz yourself, create flashcards, teach the material to someone else, or summarize the content in your own words. This helps you remember and understand the information more deeply. Practice, practice, practice. Work through past papers and sample questions. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Step 4. Master the basics. Focus on understanding the core concepts. Once you grasp the fundamentals, the rest becomes easier. Don't try to memorize everything. Instead, aim for understanding. If you're struggling with a particular concept, don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher, classmates, or online resources. Step 5. Time management is key. During the exam, keep an eye on the clock. Allocate time for each question. If you get stuck on a question, move on. You can always come back to it later. Make sure you leave enough time at the end to review your answers. Read the questions carefully. Underline key words and instructions. Plan your answers before you start writing. Step 6. Stay calm. Easier said than done, right? But it's essential. Take deep breaths. Remind yourself that you've prepared. If you feel overwhelmed, take a short break. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and refocus. Positive self-talk can make a huge difference. Tell yourself, I can do this. Step 7. Analyze and improve. After the exam, review your mistakes. Understand where you went wrong. What topics do you need to revisit? This is a crucial step in improving for future exams. Learn from your mistakes. Adjust your study plan accordingly. Celebrate your successes.